Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth had a ring around it just like Saturn? Our planet, the third rock from the Sun, is a marvel in its own right. But what if we added a new feature to its profile? Picture this: a celestial ring encircling Earth, much like the enchanting halos we've observed around Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system. Saturn's rings, composed of billions of particles ranging from tiny dust-sized icy grains to colossal chunks of rock, are a spectacle of cosmic beauty. Now imagine a similar ring around our own planet. It's a thought that is as bewitching as it is bewildering. Such a ring would be visible from Earth, a stunning arc stretching across the sky, shimmering in the sunlight. Day or night, this celestial band would be a constant, mesmerizing fixture, transforming our sky into a cosmic canvas of unparalleled beauty. But this visual spectacle would be more than just an aesthetic addition. The presence of a ring could have potentially profound implications on Earth's climate and ecosystem. The ring's shadow could alter the amount of sunlight reaching the Earth, potentially affecting temperature patterns and weather systems. This could, in turn, impact the delicate balance of our planet's habitats and the diverse life forms they support. The concept of Earth's ring is purely speculative, but it serves as a thought-provoking exploration of our planet's place in the cosmos. It's a hypothetical that invites us to ponder the intricate relationships between celestial bodies and their environments, the delicate balance of cosmic forces, and the awe-inspiring beauty of the universe that surrounds us. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing a ring of rock and ice, a constant reminder of the fascinating possibilities of our universe. A reminder that we are part of something much bigger, a vast cosmic stage where the drama of celestial dynamics unfolds in breathtaking grandeur. But how do these celestial rings form, and what would it take for Earth to have one, you may wonder? Well, let's dive into the fascinating science behind planetary rings. Planetary rings are essentially vast celestial disks made up of countless particles, varying in size from tiny dust grains to massive boulders. They are primarily composed of ice but can also contain rock and dust. But how do they come about? Well, it's all down to a phenomenon known as the Roche limit. This is the point at which gravitational forces from a planet can shatter a nearby celestial body, such as a moon, due to tidal forces. When a celestial body ventures too close and crosses this limit, the tidal forces can rip it apart, scattering the debris into an orbit around the planet, forming a ring. So then, why doesn't Earth have a ring? Our planet is surrounded by a protective magnetic field that wards off solar wind, a stream of charged particles emanating from the sun. This solar wind can strip away lighter materials like dust and ice, which are the prime components of a planetary ring, so our magnetic field essentially protects us from gaining a ring. Additionally, Earth's relatively large moon, Luna, provides a sort of gravitational shepherd, keeping potential ring-forming debris in check. Any material that might otherwise form a ring around Earth is either drawn into the moon's gravitational pull or flung out into space. However, this doesn't mean Earth could never have a ring. If a large enough celestial body were to somehow cross the Roche limit, it could theoretically be torn apart by Earth's gravity and form a ring. But don't worry, the chances of this happening are extremely slim. So while our planet doesn't naturally have the conditions for a ring to form, it's interesting to ponder what could happen if it did. After all, the universe is full of surprises, and who knows what the future may hold. But what would happen to our Earth's climate if it suddenly had a ring? Let's take a moment to explore this fascinating concept. First, let's think about temperature. A ring around the Earth would likely cause significant changes in our planet's temperature. This celestial belt would cast a shadow on the Earth, reducing the amount of sunlight that reaches the surface. Depending on the thickness and opacity of the ring, certain areas might experience a perpetual twilight, leading to cooler temperatures. Now, what about weather patterns? With a decrease in sunlight, the dynamics of our atmosphere could drastically change. Lower temperatures could alter wind patterns, potentially leading to more frequent and intense storms. It could also affect ocean currents, which play a crucial role in our climate system. Changes in these patterns could lead to shifts in precipitation, with some areas becoming drier and others more humid. And let's not forget about the sunlight. Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, the process by which plants make food. A decrease in sunlight could impact plant growth and productivity, potentially leading to a decline in biodiversity. This could have a ripple effect up the food chain, affecting all forms of life. Moreover, the ring could also have a significant impact on our ecosystems. For example, the constant shadow from the ring could affect the migration patterns of animals that rely on sunlight cues. It could also influence the breeding cycles of many species, and even change the behaviors of nocturnal and diurnal animals. So, while the idea of a ring around the Earth might seem beautiful and even romantic, the potential effects on our climate and ecosystems could be profound. It's a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in our world, a balance that could be disrupted by even the most spectacular celestial phenomena. A ringed Earth would certainly alter our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. And what about us? How would life change for humans on a ringed Earth? Well, let's start with the day-night cycle. Our days would be significantly brighter, thanks to the sunlight bouncing off the ring and back onto Earth. This increased brightness could have a profound impact on our sleep patterns, potentially causing a shift in our daily routines. Now, imagine looking up and seeing a band of light streaking across the sky, day and night. This new celestial feature would certainly require changes in technology and infrastructure. For example, our satellites and space stations would need to navigate around this ring. Astronomers too would need to adjust their calculations and observations, with the ring potentially obstructing views of distant stars and galaxies. But the impact wouldn't just be physical. It would be psychological too. Our perception of the universe, and our place within it, would undoubtedly change. This ring would serve as a constant reminder of our connection to the cosmos. It would be a symbol of the vastness of the universe and our tiny place within it. And what about our culture? Art, literature, music, and film would be influenced as well. The ring would become a source of inspiration and a symbol of change. We might even develop new myths and legends around it. Moreover, the ring would likely spark a renewed interest in space exploration. As we strive to understand our new celestial neighbor, we might push the boundaries of our knowledge and technology even further. And let's not forget about the potential for tourism. Imagine the breathtaking views from a plane, or even better, a space shuttle. The ring would become a must-see for every traveler. In the face of such profound change, we humans are remarkably adaptable. We've evolved to survive and thrive in all sorts of environments, from the freezing Arctic to the scorching Sahara. We've built cities in the desert, on mountains, and even on water. In a world where the impossible becomes possible, human life would surely adapt and evolve in fascinating ways. A ring around Earth, a captivating yet daunting idea. As we've journeyed through this speculative scenario, we've grappled with the potential visual, climatic, and human impacts of such a monumental shift in our planetary landscape. Imagine gazing up at the sky and seeing a radiant arc stretching from horizon to horizon. The nights would be brighter and the days, depending on the angle and density of the ring, could be cast in an unfamiliar, ethereal light. From a climatic perspective, a ring could potentially alter the distribution of sunlight, leading to changes in temperature and weather patterns. We might experience longer, colder winters or hotter, more intense summers. The delicate balance of our ecosystems could be disrupted, with unforeseen consequences for the flora and fauna that call Earth home. On a human level, the societal implications are equally intriguing and complex. The ring could become a new frontier for exploration and scientific research. It might inspire awe and wonder, fueling a new generation of dreamers and explorers. However, it could also pose significant challenges, from altering satellite trajectories to sparking geopolitical conflicts over resources or territorial claims. Yet as daunting as these possibilities may seem, they underscore the importance of scientific curiosity and imagination. It is through such thought experiments that we push the boundaries of our understanding, probing the mysteries of our universe and our place within it. As we ponder the idea of a ring around Earth, we are reminded of the beauty and fragility of our home planet. We recognize the importance of preserving and cherishing it, even as we explore the vast reaches of space. While Earth may not have a ring like Saturn, the thought of it sparks a sense of wonder and reminds us of the endless possibilities that lie within our vast universe.